Good morning, everybody. We are back here. It is Thursday morning. Pretty sure today is January 13th because yesterday was the 12th. It is 2022. For those of you do not know, who do we have first in the chat today? Oh my goodness, surprise, surprise. It is Frank. Frank, how you feeling, man? We need to know if you're feeling better, what you're feeling like. You got in Toad, good morning / good afternoon to you. Kyle, good morning to you. Jib and guest name, Nick F, morning, my man. Crypto Racketeer, boom, baby. Grains, you got in Toad. Tanya, you got in Grains. Outdoor Smile, Jib and Grains, you got in Toad. Jibbin, who we got? Zachariah, guest name. Keith, Frank, Alice, Victor, guest name, Devil's Advocate, Julie Miller, hello, Pedro, Kelly Scott, good morning to everybody. Glad to have you in here. Bruno, Meta, what is this name? Diversa. Hello, bro. How you doing, Bruno? Grains, Clay, bro, what's good? Everything is good, Grains. Everything is good. You know, we're down a little bit on Shiba Inu coin right now. Down a little bit on AMC. Down a little bit on Prog. Nope. GameStop back in the green right now. So we're not down on GameStop. But overall, kind of sideways day today. Not too much action going on over here in Shiba. Not too much action going on over here in AMC. Not too much action, well, over the last hour or so. Not too much action. But Prog is dipping down a little bit from the open. Down 7.5% right now. Was down a little over 8% a minute ago. Sitting down 7.5% right now. And GameStop up 0.5% as well. Pretty slow morning, if you ask me, but nothing terrible that we can't handle. G-O-D, hiya, how you doing, man? Pedro, what a great day for Shiba and BTC. Well, we had some sort of a spike down. I don't know where that spike down came from in Bitcoin, but yeah, it translated into all the other cryptocurrencies as well. So we get a nice little decline going on there. We'll get through it though. She was dead. Marcin, why would you say she was dead? I don't think she was dead. Do you? Okay, I guess Marcin thinks that all cryptocurrency is dead. And that would be the reason that Shiba Inu. That makes sense. Marcin, if you're willing to admit that all crypto is dead, I'll be willing to admit that Shiba's dead. Hello, guys. Yusuf, what's going on? Good morning to you, Cassie. Got 10 more GME and 25 AMC. Victor adding to the pot, man. I love it. Do you think it's because I have rumors with Robinhood? Yeah, we got a lot of rumors going on about Robinhood right now. And you got to keep in mind, Pedro, they are rumors. We have not heard anything from Robinhood yet, man. Big ups, Victor. Oh, yes, you got into it. Victor doing very well, adding to AMC and GME. Yusuf, what's up, good boy? What's up, man? How you doing? Or mid-term? Oh, what do you think about Neo, Apple, and Nvidia long-term or mid-term? I actually like all three of those companies long-term. So I think Apple is going to continue to dominate. And, what was the other one? Neo and Nvidia. Dude, yeah, Nvidia for sure. Nvidia might, now keep this in mind, okay? Nvidia might not fare as well when Ethereum moves over to proof of stake as opposed to proof of work. Now, there will always be coins that are mineable using GPUs, but Ethereum, currently using GPUs, has a lot of people buying them specifically to mine the cryptocurrency. If Ethereum moves away from that, moves to proof of stake, there is likely to be a lot less demand for graphics cards. Now, clearly there will be demand. There's going to be demand for people building custom desktops or for desktops being built and gamers and such. So there will be demand for it. But a lot of like, look, you need one, maybe two graphics cards if you're going to build a computer. Dude, you can have unlimited if you're going to build a miner. You can use 10, 20, 30, 40, just as much money as you want to spend on cryptocurrency miners. So that could cause a decline in Nvidia and AMD. So watch out for that, though. Best advice. Oh, sorry. Soul BBIG calls for 40% gain this morning, and we hit 10% on the day. Still letting some ride, but felt amazing. Actually capitalized on a gain in options. First profit take. Nice, man. Best advice I've ever been given is if it's good enough to screenshot, it's good enough to take profit. Read that twice, write it in your diary, and learn. Facts, man. Facts. And here's the thing, too, man. If you're up, okay? If you're up, let's say you are up, I don't even know, just even $100, man. Let's say you're up $100, and you're thinking, well, shoot, man, if I just stay in a little longer, I might be up $1,000. Well, here's the question. Are you going to go And because at that point, you're taking a risk. Would you go buy $100 worth of lottery tickets right now just to make it 10x? Would you buy $100 worth? If you knew it was going to go to zero or you knew it was going to go to $1,000, would you be willing to risk that sort of profit? Now, dude, if you're sitting on a $10,000 gain, would you go out there and buy $10,000 worth of lottery tickets to double or nothing? I would say probably not. Feeling better, not 100%, but I'm on the mend. Very good deal, Frank. I'm glad, man. Hey, can you give a Joyo a shout out? Joyo, shout out to you, man. Glad to have you in here, Grains. What's good? What's going on, Joyo? I see you there. Doing awesome, Yusuf. You holding? Heck yeah, Yusuf's holding. For Clay's sake, smash that like button. Thank you very much, Shiba Inu. Thank you very much. Smash the like button, guys. Don't forget to do that. Sup, Clay Road 8 family. AMC Trapper. What's happening, AMC Trapper? How you doing? I want to know who the first person, so I sent a bunch of stuff out yesterday. If you guys start to get it in the mail, let me know who the first person to get it is, because I don't even know where that stuff went, so I don't know who the closest is. But I imagine you're probably not going to get it today. I imagine it'll be tomorrow when people start getting things. I screenshot a glitch and I was a billionaire, but I couldn't take profits. Darn it, Cassie. Yes, by the time that live stream ended, I was screenshotting some serious multi-millionaire. I think I had $100 or $300 million or something, but I also could not take profits, unfortunately. AMC to 500 per share. Rudolph, listen, I hope so, man, but it's all going to come down to how long people are willing to hold out. If you still think people are willing to hold out to $500 a share, yes. If you don't think they're willing to hold out to $500 a share, then you shouldn't hold out to $500 a share. Tomorrow, Rudolph, tomorrow. Let's get it. The squeeze is tomorrow. AMC will squeeze tomorrow. But I need to sell my Shiba, I think. Yusuf, you can sell some of your Shiba if you want. Sell all your Shiba if you want. A blackjack is a great game. Just don't take everything you own to the table. I like it. Mark, I like it. Thanks for the t-shirt, Crypto Rocketeer. Heck yeah, man. Hopefully, listen, I can't actually track it, I don't think, beyond... I don't know if it tells me when it arrives in Sweden or if it tells me just that it left the U.S. I don't actually know how that works, but I know I cannot track it to your house. So hopefully you're good. I never know what these spams are. Ford is moving. Yeah, dude, Ford's looking pretty good today, and I am sitting on some Ford, so I am liking that. I don't even know if we have it on here. Up 5.5%. Dang, dude. And I was actually tempted to sell when this thing was at 21. And I didn't do it. I was tempted to sell when it was right in here. I didn't know if it was going to be able to break this line. Shoot. Now, like, what can it not break? Look at this. Look at this, man. What a graph. What a graph. Nah, that's beautiful. Come on. Go back there, kid. Go back. And my microphone. You guys never tell me when my microphone is way back there and hidden. It can break my heart. Ford's going to break your heart? JB, is Ford going to break your heart, man? That line can break your heart, boy. It could, dude, if it comes back down, for sure. Is that Ford... Rudolph. I think that it might be, man. Let's take a look at that. No. You got to go all the way back to the 90s, dude. You got to go all the way back to the 90s. Dang. Dude, imagine if you would have got Ford back in the 70s for 20 cents a share and you're still holding on to it. Dude, imagine if you would have got Ford at the 2008 crash for 9 cents. Forget about the 70s. My God. 9 cents. $0.09. Wow. That's all I gotta say, man. Wow. Where's Owen Wilson when you need him, man? Because that's incredible. Wow. Ford squeezing their customers, making them pay more for Lightning, limiting the customization, and really limiting the base models. JB, we actually don't like what the car dealers have going on right now. I've watched a couple videos. It's kind of absurd with what they're doing for MSRP and increasing it by double just so you can get a car out there. That's kind of dumb. I did YOLO calls for tomorrow, 26 strike. Let's get it. AMC Trappers get a 26 strike on Ford, is what you're saying. 26 strike on Ford YOLO, man. Dude. What are we at right now? 25.50? 25.80? Let's go. Dude, the good news is you're on a run and you really don't have any resistance in your way. Because you got to go way back to what? The 90s, man. That's not going to be resistance. Hey, you got to go back to 2000, 2001. Don't worry about 2001. Nobody's worried about 20-year resistance. Destroying it, man. Let's go. YOLO for Trapper. YOLO for Trapper. Get that run. All right, we'll come back to that and check it out. Read my message. Crypto Racketeer. Got you, boy. I got it a week ago. Borrowed car from nice Crypto Racketeer. Getting that Back to the Future car. Good deal, man. I'm glad you like it then. I'm glad you like it. Let's see. Shiba Hunter equals Heartbreaker. Yeah, dude, Shiba Hunter, little honeypot. No, don't get into Shiba Hunter. If you're out there, don't do that. I'm the one, don't need, yes, Mr. Latoris. No, you do not. Subscribed and liked for the very first live stream. James, man, glad to have you in here. Very first live stream. Clicking that subscribe button, clicking that like button. Appreciate you, James. That's what it's all about, man. Frodo says, oh no, first, Cassie. I want to take part of a Ford, a Chevy, and a Dodge and create a really custom truck. But alas, no money for that, at least not now. Cassie, you will have money for that at some point. What are you going to call this truck? Because clearly it's like a Frankenstein. You're just creating a monster here. What are you going to call this? Morning, bro, friend. What a wonderful day in the neighborhood. Always a wonderful day in the neighborhood. I was up late last night on a Discord voice chat, and one of the developers of Warrior Alliance, very interesting. Frodo, that is very interesting, man. All good things. Warrior Alliance. What is that coin? Warrior Alliance. We got to check out here. Is that the name of the coin? Can't be that. Can't be Warrior Alliance. So, what's the name of the coin? Welcome, James. Welcome, James. Oh, yes. James, man. Glad to have you in here. I must be in a parallel universe if Ford is at that price. Quentin, you are in a parallel universe, man. Ford is ripping. Good evening, Clay, and everyone. Sardis Croy, where are you from that it's evening? I didn't think that you were in Europe. What are you doing over there? I feel the love. James, good deal, man. You're home now. You're home, James. No need to go anywhere else. Hello, Clay and everyone. What's going on, Saif? I knew it. Yes, me too, Quentin. You're in the same universe as the one that you 100x'd on that 100,000, whatever that coin was that we were looking at the other day. I think for the DWAC, we'll have a little round 2 from October. Mr. Latoris, maybe, because a lot of people are hyping those stocks back up right now. However, me personally, and I could be wrong, all right, I don't think that they're going to see the same highs that they saw. I don't think the DWAC is going to be able to go back up to like 170, but I could be completely wrong on that. There was a lot of hype to take it that high, and I don't even know what fund topped out at, but I don't know, man. If you can make a profit on it, perfect. If not, I mean, it's going to be okay, but I wouldn't expect it to. That's me. If you expect it to, I hope it does, but I don't know if it can go that high again. Sardis Croy, yes, UK. Sardis Croy is in the UK. I did not know this, Sarah. I did not know this. AMC Trapper, mess with AMC and other heavily shorted stocks. I also do call and put options, just trying to make those bands. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I know what you're saying. Bands, I would assume that is money. Hey bro, please allow my Twitter to DM you. I have a few things for you in the next day or so. Contest NFT. Freddie, I'm gonna have to follow you, man. Tag me in something, because I have to follow you in order to be able to DM me. So I gotta follow you. And if I don't know who you are on there, I might not follow you. I don't know. It would be a really awesome truck. I could do a digital nomad, and I could plug it in. The tailgate would convert to an office, etc. Well, who knew? Who knew that Cassie had this talent? She's going to be building like a stinking mobile home truck. I like it, Cassie. Warrior Alliance, the token is not out yet. It's still in its early days. They just had their Genesis NFT mint. The main NFT mint will be coming out later this month. Frodo, very nice, dude. You're going to have to let us know about this coin when it comes out. Even for pre-sale, before it gets listed on CoinMarketCap. You got to let us know. Stay up to date on that. What's up, Clay, bro? Finally catching a live. I definitely work way too much. I need to see this squeeze. Scott Spartan T. We all need to see this squeeze, man. My brother, Devil's Advocate. Boom! Those are tools to make her dance, Clay. Yes! Okay, the band makes her dance? Or the tailgate makes her dance? I don't know which one we're talking about now. Do you think Trump going to run for president in 2020? If so, I do believe DWAC will go. Rudolph. Yeah, actually, I have no idea, man. I have no idea what to expect for that. So, I mean, if you want to wait that long, then yeah, you could. Please, your thoughts on FDV. It's up 38% today. Is this Canadian stock? AMC. Is this a Canadian stock? Is that why you got the .V on there for the venture? What is it? FD? Are you talking about this? No. I don't know if I can see Canadian listed stocks on Webull. Clean this up. Alright. Clean that over there. Yeah, it's Canadian. Face track. Yeah, dude, I can't pull it up on here. Also, Clay, I was considering a call on OLN. Guns are in. Well, dude, look, man. I don't have a problem with that. If that's what you... OLN. I don't even know what OLN is, but considering call options on OLN. Where are you going to get the calls for? I probably wouldn't buy calls on this for over $60. Unless you're going way out. Let's see. What's up, Denell? What's going on, Denell? Warrior Alliance. The token will be available to the owners of the NFT first as a pre-sale. Also, the Genesis NFT owners will get a certain amount of tokens airdrop to them, like passive income. And did you say the NFTs, these, Warrior Alliance on the 16th, they will be releasing the character builder where owners of the Genesis and Legendary NFTs can make custom warriors that will eventually be played in the game. Dude, Frodo, it sounds difficult, man. Is it difficult? Because it sounds difficult to me right now. Would you maybe look at OLN and see it making some extra... Yeah, Scott, so I don't know, man. I don't know what alright, way out. If you're going way out, then you're probably fine. But I wouldn't get anything... I mean, it's not bad, dude. It's got a really nice graph. It's got a really nice graph. If you're going way out, fine. I just wouldn't. I wouldn't go above $60 if you're any short period of time. BBIG still rolling. Question. Oh, he did say that he closed them out for a 40% gain. Nice. Devil's Advocate. Nice. Is selling a covered call difficult? Like actually physically doing it. I don't need to hear how the process works, but like in Webull, to make one sell, is it hard? My question's confusing. I know. No, I don't think that it is difficult. You may, and I could be wrong on this. All right, but I think it might depend on the level of options trading that you're approved for. That might depend on that, man. I'm not exactly sure if it does or not, but no, you sell, like if you sell a call and you got 100 shares in your account, then you're selling a covered call. Like if you were to sell calls on Prague, like you mine crypto, it shouldn't be difficult for you. Also, okay, I didn't know if you had to like develop these characters. Is what I'm saying, man. Also, the Discord community is very helpful with information on how to make things easier. Good deal, Frodo. I thought when you were saying like you had to make these characters, you had to like, code these characters. And I'm like, I don't know. Selling the calls in the... Okay, cool. Trapper, good deal, man. That I did not know. Yes, AMC not going to try to sue something about that. Not exactly sure what we were talking about there. Which thoughts on Ripple? I think they're going to stop printing paper money sometime in the future, make everything digital. Somehow the government losing money. Rudolph, if that's what you think, then digital assets are going to be the future for sure. It's not just going to be Ripple that's going to rip higher in that scenario. A lot of things would rip higher. And it is possible, dude. It is possible. People were skeptical of credit cards because you didn't have physical cash and you didn't have checks. So there's always going to be some resistance and some skepticism. But I mean, it is probable that, I don't know, maybe your grandkids have never seen a dollar bill before. Depending on how old you are. Like my grandkids. Let's put it that way. My grandkids, it's probable that they would have never seen a dollar bill before. Clearly, if you've already got grandkids, they've seen a dollar bill. Any news on why Shiba went down? Saif, no, but Shiba fell along with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin and nearly all of the coins took the same exact hit today. And you can see that if we zoom out on here, this is Bitcoin. This is Shiba Inu coin. How can you even tell the difference between these two graphs right here? Bitcoin, or Shiba Inu coin, boom, falling. Bitcoin, boom, falling. Little bounce, falling again. So whatever's going on with Bitcoin right here, I don't know if it's running into some daily resistance or what the deal is, but because Shiba Inu, or because Bitcoin is falling, Shiba Inu coin fell as well. So I don't know why Bitcoin fell, but that's why Shiba fell. Mariachi Palmeros. I don't know if it's the hedge funds that are keeping it at this level. I know everybody always blames the hedge funds unless the price of the stock is going up. Then it's very hard for people to say, oh, well, I wonder why the hedge funds are letting it rise right now. It's all the hedge funds can't do anything about it. So I don't think the hedge funds can control the price that well. I just don't think people are willing to offer more. I don't think they're really willing to sell for less, and we're getting a stagnant price. I still have some $3 calls for next Friday. I'm gonna let it ride a bit longer, and I got some YOLO $3.50 ones for tomorrow on today's dip, which I'm already up on. Likely will end up losing on the YOLO though. Dude, if you're already up, man, you can just go ahead and sell them. Don't likely lose on it. You design the character's look in the character builder, just like the character creation in an RPG. Instead of the NFT randomizing the hat, facial hair, armor, etc., you choose the look. Oh, Frodo. Now, okay, that sounds easier. So it's like a front-end application, and you get to choose what it looks like. Now, that does sound cool. Government wants to know where everyone's money is to tax everyone. Mo, facts, man. Facts. They do. That would be easier than if there was no such thing as cash and I couldn't hand you $1. I had to transfer you $1, and every single transfer was kept track of. Most every market is down. It's put season, ladies and gentlemen. Time to go hunting for some puts. TD Ameritrade, FTW. So whoever is running this sold to lower the entire crypto market. Possibly. Okay, I don't know if that's the intention as to why they were selling off in Bitcoin, but yes, Bitcoin was selling off, so Shiba Inu coin was following along. Minnesota Congressman introduced a bill to forbid the Fed from creating a digital currency yesterday. Very nice shit to Inu. I don't know if that'll pass. I don't know why that would. I don't know why that would pass. I had a very small account with them, AMC. Something I think I missed something on that one. Thank you. Smash that like button, everyone. If they show the bro love, Saif, listen to Saif, guys. Smash the like button. About 110 shares of AMC, very good. Cassie, since they already lost, the lawsuit the president is set. I'm sure the lawyers that won the case will take in because they already have the blueprint. Talking about Robinhood, right? No. All right, JB, let's go with D today. We are going with D today. Square, hexagon, octagon, and triangle. JB, my final answer is D, triangle. Cladinho, my brozinho, Mr. Salmonino. How low can Hood go? All the way low. Lower than me doing the limbo, man. I just got one put on. I got one put on prog for tomorrow's expiration. Just try out puts, and I got the bottom of the day. First time ever being mad about it. First time ever being mad about the bottom. Dude, look, you're not on the bottom. You can still. Gosh, it's trading really. But you guys want to see barcoding? Everybody always thinks that things are barcoding. Prog is barcoding. All right, this is what a barcode looks like. Right here. 66 cents to 65 cents. This is a barcode, ladies and gentlemen. Please learn. This is not a barcode. This is a barcode. Please keep that in mind. Lesson complete. Got it at the low of the day, down at, what, 163, sitting at 165. Man, Prog can go lower today. Don't worry about that. Looking good. About to begin to transfer out of Weeble to Fidelity tomorrow. Not liking new news about Fidelity. What are they saying about Fidelity? That Fidelity's helping the shorts out there. Got more meta excited. DD, very nice, man. More meta, more rewards in Shiba Inu. Isa, is Isa Wu in here? Mitch, I don't see Isa Wu anywhere. It would have took 3 days this week to Fidelity from Robinhood. No problem. Heck yeah. Triangle is the fake coin. Boom! I believe you're 2 out of 3 so far this year. The squeeze must be coming. Heck yeah, dude. I knew it, too. I knew it. I picked it. I said triangle is fake news. I'm going with that one, and I was right. That was not a guess. That was not a guess. I knew for a fact that triangle was a guess, man. Squeeze must be coming, though, JB, because I've never had this sort of percentage before. And I don't even know. I don't even know if I'm 2 out of 3 or if I'm 2 out of 2 or 3 out of 3, what the deal is. But I know I'm doing very well. What's barcoding mean? Clowny. Exactly. Like the price looks like a barcode, man. The price looks like a barcode. Very low volume, just trading, bouncing back and forth between the two same prices. So you've got a line that looks just like this. Looks exactly like a barcode. This price pattern right here just means that there's not a ton of shares being traded, and they're just being traded back and forth between the same price. And I mean, honestly, 3,000 to like 11,000, 5,000 shares, that's not a tiny amount of shares. But just bouncing back and forth between a price like that makes the chart look like a barcode. Should I transfer out since I only have 230 shares of AMC? Is it really worth it? Transferring out of Weeble? Dude, look, I like Weeble, man. I like Weeble. If you don't like Weeble, sure, go ahead, transfer out. But I have no problem with Weeble. So it's completely up to you if you want to. Stock market makes no sense, Mitch. You know why the stock market doesn't make any sense? Because the stock market is heavily reliant on investors' emotions. And I'm going to tell you right now, emotions do not make sense. Logic makes sense. Emotions do not make sense. And unfortunately, the market, investors, whatever you want to say, are emotional. And because of that, we cannot make sense of price action. Great news could come out, boom, stock price tanks. Terrible news could come out, boom, stock price goes up. Next week, great news comes out, stock price could shoot to the moon. Next week, bad news comes out, stock price goes to zero. So it literally does not make sense, man. You are right. And if you try to make sense of it, you're going to get confused and you're going to get upset. It's not going to work out for you. There's just some things that you have to accept in life that you will not understand. It's when the chart looks like you can scan it with a bad boy in a self-checkout aisle at Walmart and have no volume pop up on your checkout monitor. That's exactly what it looks like. Robinhood rumors and stuff all over are getting annoying. All I see on YouTube. Kalani! It is crazy, isn't it? It is crazy. It's like all you see on Twitter, too. And if you're searching for articles on Google and scrolling through news feeds, it's all you see there, too, man. Everybody loves Robinhood. Everybody wants to talk about Robinhood. Guys, if Robinhood actually, had good news, I mean, if Robinhood was on the up and up, they would be destroying it with how much people talk about them. It's just always bad news on the tip of their tongue, though. Bad news and rumors. I know that. I mean, is the barcoding manipulation? No, Clowny. It's not manipulation, man. It's just the fact that people are, unwilling to... It's just balancing, basically, between the bid and the ask. Let's put it that way. It's just balancing there. You're getting... That might be a better way to explain it. You're getting, an equal amount of buyers and sellers, just balancing it back and forth between the bid and the ask. And it's just bouncing. It's not really taking off in either direction. Nobody's winning the fight. Used to be 20,000 something. If the real squeeze is the $600 yearly tax limit on any internet, the real squeeze is the $600 yearly tax limit on any internet's personal sales. Yeah, you're talking about the new 1099 limit there, right? If you're doing something on PayPal or Square or whatever, with the payment processor reporting your stuff to the IRS, if it's over $600. Got to get their money somehow, man. They got to get their money to pay for everything that they want to pay for somehow. They're going to take it from you. They're going to take it from me. Hello, I've been here. Hello, everyone. A one earbud still not working, right? So I can only hear with one ear. Hope everyone's good. Chris, is it your good ear or your bad ear? Mr. Latoris, you think it's $6 for BBIG this by next Friday, or what's your timeline? Let's go, Latoris. Let's hear it. Once Robinhood lists Shiba, they should list because they need Shiba to fix their hood. Then Shiba will rise as Shiba Hood savior of the community. We already killed Doge. Now we save everyone. Saif, that's a good way to look at it, man. I see a lot of ads for investing in digital real estate instead of crypto, stocks, and such. What do you know about that them? Seems weird. So, Kalani, yes, that does seem weird. However, I don't find it weird that people are trying to push that right now. Metaverse is going to be, and here's the deal with that too. It's going to be a little bit dangerous, man, because you're going to have to pick the right metaverse if you want to invest in this digital land. So all that means, dude, is if you're going to be buying digital land in a metaverse, that's your plot. I don't know if you played The Sims, or I never played Minecraft or any games like that. But I guess you could think of it like World of Warcraft. I haven't played World of Warcraft for a week. So your home, your home base, your camp, whatever you want to call it, whatever place you build would be your plot of land. So if you pick the right metaverse, if the metaverse grows, you are going to be the only owner of that plot of land. And if it's a popular one, you will absolutely be able to sell that for potentially, more money than real world land, because, dude, you could have businesses come in there and just want to advertise on that space because it's highly trafficked. So there's opportunity there. I just want to tell you that it's going to be a risky opportunity because you have to deal with a lot of people buying a lot of land and a lot of different metaverses, and metaverses can essentially expand like the universe and go on forever. So it's not going to be like land on Earth that is limited. They can create new land if they want, man. Is VOM red spiking? VOM, dude. I don't even know what VOM is. Dude, I don't even know what VOM is. At least that is the goal. PD Pete is in here. What's Freddie say? What's the goal? So I understand it with taxes. You have to select yes in your crypto on your tax form if you received payment in crypto, staked or sold correct. Mo, I do not know, man. I do not know. So, brothers, I'm off work for a few days. Can't say that word. Got the word that we cannot say. So, I should be here more as soon as I get my energy holding to the moon. PD Pete, man, we hope you feel better, man. Look, dude, get as much rest as possible. Get as much rest as possible. Stay hydrated. Do all that good stuff. You're going to be good. You're going to be good, PD Pete. We got you, man. Come in here whenever you want. Well, what do you think Shiba Metaverse coming out? Miss Queenie, that I actually do not know. I really don't even think that they're working on that right now. I think that they're focused on Shibarium, the Doggy Dow, and the AAA game. I do not think that they're even working on Metaverse at the moment. Hold on. Is Prague? Hey, look. Devil's Advocate. Devil's Advocate. You're good, man. Prague, ripping lower. You didn't get in at the low of the day now. There goes your puts, man. There goes your puts. We knew it would happen. We knew it would happen. Devil's Advocate looking good on those puts now, man. Cassie, thank you very much. Ooh, look at this. We can actually stand up now. Cassie, PDP, this one's for you, man. We hope you feel better because LPDPD, 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 Pete. Oh my gosh, LPDPD, Pete. LPDPD, 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 Pete. LPDPD, Pete. LPDPD, 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 Pete. LPDPD, Pete. This is the last one. Pete, man, you muster up as much energy as possible and do it with us, dude. LPDPD, 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 Pete. LPDPD, Pete. Thank you very much, Cassie. Sounds like a rocket ship's taking off in my backyard right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. That was crazy. Pity Pete, man. That one is for you. Bye, Cassie. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. My autobiography about trading puts will be out soon. Boom. Perfect. Devil's Advocate. Epic entry, man. You got an epic fill on those puts. Let's get it. Market nosedive coming in, ladies and gentlemen. Is it the YouTube abandon the word? You know what, Mr. Simon, I have no idea, and I don't have confirmation that that's what it is, but my streams have not been flagged. So I haven't had to go in there and manually request a review on any of the streams since like last Thursday or Friday that we stopped using the word that we cannot say. So evidence enough for me, man. And I have no idea. Because all of this stuff has been, like, approved. After I requested a manual review, it's clear that, we're not having any discussions we shouldn't be having. But, it's very weird, man. I think I heard your mom yelling down to the basement saying, "Keep it down!" Dude, I'm actually upstairs. And if you could hear my mom yelling from that far away, then you get good ears, dude. You get good ears. Unless she was yelling down to the basement to you. Are you in my mom's basement? Kisanoli. How do you say that name? Are you in my mom's basement right now? Weird, dude. What are you doing down there? I saw some weakness in big tech stocks, including Amazon and Tesla. A weight on the NASDAQ shares of Snap dropped more than 6%. Right now, Grains. Snap just dropped 6%. Is that true? Snap got snapped a little while back, too, after its earnings. Yeah. Snap is down 6% right now. Yeah, Snap got ripped on earnings here. Man. Broke this line of resistance, too. Dang, Snap not faring very well at the moment. Crypto gets too much terrible news with restrictions in travel all over the world as is. Scandinavian Airlines goes up 4.7%. It sounds pretty normal. Sounds normal to me, man. Nobody can go anywhere on an airplane, and then airplane stocks go up in value. I like it. What's a bro got to do for a colored name, wrench, etc.? Kalani. Wrenches are a little bit harder to come by nowadays because we do have a lot of wrenches in here. But, I mean, if you're in here every day, you're in the running for a wrench if you don't have one. Color name, green one. Dude, all you got to do is click that well, I assume if you can see the colored name, like if you can see the green name, you got to copy and paste that link in the description that says join the channel, become a bro, get a green name, whatever it says in the description there, and then you can get a green name that way. I am your mom. What? When did you change your name, Mom? The heck? Very weird, man. I did not know. Oh, Mom. I thought you were going out today. What are you doing home? That's weird. Rocket Ship in your backyard, tell us more. That's why you don't have a window. I do have 2 windows right there. I do have 2 windows. But, I don't know. You guys didn't hear that? It sounded weird. I missed that. I missed what word can't be said. Outdoor smile. I can't believe you guys don't hear this noise. You know, the one word that can't be said. They get your stream flag. Snap down. I love that music band. Let's go. Mr. Latoris, you need to be a member to get a wrench with the exception of like 10 blue wrenches who aren't bros. Oh, no. Well, we can't rip on Nick F. Nick F is the original wrench. All right. Nick F was the wrench before there were even bros. Like before that was even a thing. Yes, that one. AMC Trapper, I can hear it. Crypto Racketeer, you got good ears. Solder? Dude, come on. That's code. Yeah, that's code, man. Soder. Soder. I'm like, what is this dude? Soder. You guys want a soder? Want to come over here and have a soder? I click and say voter. Yeah, I can say that one, but I can't say the other one. What a wrestler. We wanna know. Wrestler, are you in here, Mr. Latoris? I am a member. Don't have a wrench. Crazy, Mo. Crazy, isn't it? I know. I don't understand. I don't understand it either. Clay, do you expect the U.S. 10-year Treasury yields to move from the current 1.73 around 2% over the coming months? Grains. I don't know if they will go up to 2% or not over the coming months. Maybe over the coming year. But, yeah, as interest rates rise to fight inflation, I do expect I expect all Treasury yields to rise. Doesn't it just have to be the 10-year? I expect all treasuries to increase their yield. Whether or not it goes to 2%, 3%, and so on, man, I can't make that call, but I do expect the yields to rise. Go on. You know the what? Yeah, that one. Frodo, you're right on that. Nick F got the wrench when you found out that he was your neighbor. Facts, man. I wish Nick F was my neighbor. Nick F, if you're in here, buy my neighbor's house, dude. Buy my neighbor's house. You mean we can't day? What? My hubby came home today. What? You mean we can't day what? Day hashtag? Day pound? What happened? It's a pound sign, man. We can't what? Oh, I meant say. Yeah, we can't day pound. Like day pound. What? What is Prog's gap fill? Michael, let's take a look because I want to know if Devil's Advocate, you still got those puts, man? We're rising again. You're getting a little nervous. We're right at your entry. Now you're probably break even on your puts there. Let's see what we got. Oh, no, back up. Let's see what Prog looks like on a longer term chart here. I don't even know if I got Prog up here. Prog does have support at $1.50, so you keep that in mind. But if we're looking at the chart here, we do have some support right in this area at $1.50. I don't know how well you guys can see that. We got support here at $1.50, okay? If we break that, $1.25, and then potentially, boom, 85. I don't know if we will get back that low. That's kind of crazy to think if we go back here. If we go back here, I'm loading the boat on that one. But next level of support is $1.50. We are approaching that level. I had to sell my membership to buy bread to go with my tap water due to certain annoying stocks plummeting. Crypto Rocketeer, it is all right. I would rather see you have bread and water than be in my stream starving with a green name. Day trade, day pound. Mr. Silent, I don't even know what's going on with you guys sometimes, man. I don't know what's going on with you guys sometimes. I'm colorblind, something. Moji, I'm a bro, no cut. Moji, you do have a green name, but you are most likely using an Android phone that doesn't show your color up. But you do have a green name for me, and then everybody that's got an iPhone is also, or on a computer, I would assume, is seeing a green name. Gotcha. Thanks, Frank. Sorry, honey, I had to invest in Prague instead of paying your car off again. Dude, it'll work, because then when Prague skyrockets, shoot, buy a brand new car, pay it off, buy a brand new one. Gotcha. Thanks, Frank. Frank said something. I don't know what Frank said. Who's this wrestler? Look, he even says the name right. Wrestler Shoe. Nobody said Wrestler Shoe. They just said, where's the wrestler? And this guy throws the shoe in there. Traded 5K to get Prague down to 2.64 average. Very nice, Shredder. I don't know what you had it at before, but 2.64 is better than my average right now. Prague, when we moon again. Mr. Latoris, hopefully very soon. Many are saying the Doge on Mars is similar to Shiba Inu. 8 months, same amount of holders. Market cap and the same at 8 months. First spike, about the same. What makes Shiba Army so much better? I wish I knew how to say your name a little bit better, but Mom, the Shiba Inu army is extremely active on Twitter, okay? Extremely active on social media. So, they have a much larger presence. That is one of the main things that makes them that much better, is that they make themselves heard. Now, clearly, Doge on Mars, they do have a big market cap. It's not the same market cap as Shiba Inu and all of that. And they could still do very well, because I know a lot of people hold it. I think it's got $1 billion market cap, right? Maybe 750 million the last time I looked. I'm not sure. But I'm sorry if I'm cutting out. Somebody must be messaging me. I don't know what's going on. But their active presence is what makes them, I guess, better, okay? At least more known, more well-known. You going live is always the highlight of my lunch. Kulani! I'm glad you're in here, and I'm glad you're enjoying your lunch. Man, Prague, ooh, touching $1.60. What is going on? If we cut out again, I'm going to have to tell whoever's messaging me to stop. Market makes no sense. Mitch, you are correct, man. Market makes no sense, because we talked about it a little while ago. I don't know if you were in here, because the market is emotional. Crypto Rocket here. I don't think that we can use the C word in here either. I mean, I probably can't use that word. I don't know if you guys should be using that word in the chat, but I'm sure if I read it, that might get flagged too. You are indeed cutting out. Stop it, nigga. It could be Nick F. I don't know who it was. It's got to be somebody that was cutting me out like that. I don't know who it was, though. If they do it again, I'm going to have to tell them to stop that nonsense right now. Okay, let's go back out here and look at this. Corn. Yeah, you can talk about corn all you want. Corn is a commodity. Corn is completely fine. We can trade corn, actually. Caring about corn. Yes, fund it till $4 in March. Let's go. Not wrestler. I like it, man. Not wrestler. AMC sitting at 22.22 right now. AMC at 22.22, down 220. Look at this. It's incredible. AMC was at 22.22 and down 220. It's reached its limit, man. It's not going to go any lower because of that now. Shiba Inu sitting at 3,000 points per coin, testing that $3,000 or $3,000. I wish. 3,000 point per coin level of support once again. Prague sitting at $1.61 right now. Devil's Advocate buying some puts to protect himself to the downside, working out pretty well at the moment. GameStop sitting at 127.27, down barely 0.5%. And then we've got the NASDAQ dipping pretty hard today, down at 1.5%. Farmy sitting down 5% on the day. Can't seem to have a daily gain to save its life ever. Oh, it's Prague down 10% on the day. AMC, there's 2%. Crypto getting ripto once more. Sava down 5% today. And Sundial down almost 2% on the day, sitting at 57 cents per share. Very interesting, guys. Very interesting. Can you tell us about the Metaverse game? Sorry if you did. I came into the chat late. KS. The Metaverse game, there's literally, man, at this point, there's like unlimited Metaverse games that are being developed out there. So I don't know if you're talking specifically about Shiba Inu coin or if you're talking about something else. But Shiba Inu, the Shiba Inu Metaverse is not yet like being discussed or not yet talked about. But the AAA graphics game is going to be like a card game, card collecting, card trading game. It's probably someone messaging you. Your banana hot dog order is in. Let's see what's going on. Intermission. I'm going to give you guys this screen and while I look at the phone. Okay, we're back. I don't really want to tell them to stop. They're in a group message, and sis bro, teacher of the year. So sweet on that one. Not sweet that they need to make a ruckus about it while I'm live. We need elevator music. We do need something. When Clay is back. Crypto not rocketing. Crypto not rocketing. I like the name, man. Shiba should build a first-person shooter game. I don't know if they're capable of doing that. Clay, do you get a commission for people signing up for Webull? Donnell, yes. And then, so you guys get the free stocks, and I get a free stock, too. Seems we can't trust any broker. We just have to be careful and not get greedy. DD214, man. That's what I actually was watching, who was talking? Short the Vix was talking about Fidelity last night, helping the shorts out, right? And I didn't watch his full video, so I don't know exactly what they were doing or what the thing is. But, yeah, man, I don't know. Listen, you are going to find something about every broker, every company, every person that you do not like, all right? Don't be the guy that's, like, wishy-washy and, I don't know, just jumping from platform to platform just because somebody else tells you that they don't like it. Get him, wrestler. Yes, got him. Congratulations, Sis Brown Teacher of the Year. Yes, I get is Sis your Teacher of the Year, which is cool. But I got 9 likes, and I'm live right now, so step off. Exactly, man. Exactly. Teacher of the Year, congratulations. That's nice. But we are live, so keep me out of the group message. What are you doing? Rocket. Thank you very much for the question mark there. Yeah, man. Sis, bro. Teacher of the Year. I like it. Bro anniversary. Mo G, member for 3 months. Thank you very much for the member chat, bro. Bro G. I almost said bro G. Mo G is my bro G. Thank you very much. We got some spam bots coming in here. Guys, calm down. We got some fast mods. Good luck. The most spam, if you guys are a spam bot and you want to test your luck on getting timed out for at least 5 minutes, record is 11. Record is 11, so you're not even close. Tom Hill. Crazy name. Dude, was Tom Hill just, delete Tom Hill. If you didn't delete or block Tom Hill. Like, come on, man. Names like that are just dumb. So, I don't know if you timed him out, but just block Tom Hill. I have no ammo. Get him, mods. Wrestlers like, yeah, go get him, boys. Go get him. Mobro G. We got some Mobro G in the chat right now. Yes, looks like we're getting spammed. We are, man. We are. Oh my gosh, they just keep coming back. Got him quick on that. Who's got the quick trigger finger on that one? I gotta see this. That was fast. 3 spams. It was deleted before I even saw those. Woo-hoo-hoo, man, got double deleted on that one. Devil's Advocate and Frank stepping up big time, baby. Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. The only time she talks to me is when I super chat her via Venmo. Nice. I don't even know if that's true or not, but nice, Rocket. Shooting your shot, man. Shooting your shot. She doesn't talk to me either, though. So, you're family. You're family. I have to super chat her via Venmo if I want her to talk to me, too. So, you're no different. You're being treated as family right now. So, you're good to go. Mitch, I'll give him something to spam. Do it. We need wrench support coming in. Names like Tom Hill are dumb. Yeah, names like Tom Hill are dumb. Come on, Tom. Rocket. So she talks to you. Now that's what you're saying. Devil's advocate. Always look at the positive side. So you're saying there's a chance. People with way too much free time, these spammers. It's crazy, Mark, isn't it? Hood bro, fam. Many worlds, no bots. Hey, I'm telling you right now, Many Worlds doing pretty good, dude. I didn't actually look at Many Worlds this morning, but I looked at it yesterday, and I was up on my original investment in Many Worlds, even though crypto has been getting hit pretty hard lately. So I'm glad with that. Not huge rewards, and I don't know if the rewards are weekly in Binance pegged BUSD. But still, man, rewards for that. So I'm cool. Yo, since we're not getting any recognition, she's basically lost all of the skin in her fingers and making merch for someone who shall remain nameless. We all know who that is. Yes, we do. Nah, sis bro ain't remaining nameless. Oh, man. Get him! So what's the wrench do? Oh, okay. So that's what the wrench do. Oh, yes. Isa Wu, what's going on? JB and Isa Wu are going to be best friends. I know they are. Glad to have this whole family in early. Oh, for sure, dude. For sure. And look, man, I plan on holding. I don't know what it's going to take, but I plan on holding. Unless you like 1000x overnight and I wake up, I probably will sell some 1000x overnight, but dude, steady gains, I'm good to hold. Not Wrestler. Thank you very much for the member chat. I carry the diddly in the case. Things get squiggly. You must be an artist. So you carry your brush around in a case because things get squiggly if you don't. I understand. You got to keep your brush fresh, man. Got to keep your brush fresh. Not Wrestler. Boom, baby. Public service announcement. I am hiding all spam right now. No timeouts. You've been warned. You do it, you're gone. Boom. Oh, dude, stepping up. Mod mode. Level 9,000. Level 9,000 mod mode right there. Bree. Dang, man. Boom. Gone. Hidden. Looks beautiful. It's Isa. It's Isawu. Literally, Clay is blending into the wall for me. It's just teeth and a mouth moving, nothing else. What about now? Okay. What about now with the shadow? Because the light's so bright. Or what about now? Better? Gosh. I'm gonna go blind. Oh my gosh. I'm blind now. You do you, Bree. We do not shame anybody in here. Oh dear, Pablo. Oh dear. This dude's getting hidden, man. Look, you guys can have some fun all day. Just get all these accounts hidden. It's fine with me. Dude, you got dumped on right there, man. You got Crypto Not Rocketing, Devil's Advocate JB, and Devil's Advocate jumping on that one. I like it, guys. Love being in here with all of you. Dunnell, we absolutely love having you in here. My goodness, we do. And thank you for being in here. Thank you for the member chat. And thank you for always having a good time with us. The Devil's Advocate using the wrench like a hammer. Boom! Throwing that hammer down. I know I gotta have a plan, but just out of curiosity, what should be the sell? What should be the sell and still make money from Shiba once it drops 2 zeros? Yeah, Saif, man. If we drop 2 zeros, you're gonna be 100xing, man. So you're gonna be making a lot of money in that case. I'm not exactly sure what the question is. Like, what price should you sell at if you drop 2 zeros? Is that the question? Or what? Because if we drop 2 zeros, that's 100x. So you're going to be doing extremely well. Okay, now the good news is if these robots want to spam, at least the subscriber numbers will be going up because they can click subscribe and then spam and get hidden. So perfect by me, man. Drive the subscribers up a little bit and then get hidden so you can't be seen anymore. Good on that one. Oh, game over. No, it's not game over. They can still spam if they want. Like, I don't mind if they spam. They just got to jump the subscriber numbers if they want to spam. I make money on BBBY. Let's go. Wrestler, you making money on Bed Bath & Beyond today? I think it was up like 6% earlier, wasn't it? My blog. Look, there we go. This guy's subscribing to the channel. Rodney, I appreciate that, man. Now you're gonna get blocked here, and just don't unsubscribe after you get hidden. It's gonna be okay. My block list is getting longer with all the spam bots. It's getting crazy, man. The block list is growing, but the subscriber list is growing too. Got him. Scam the spammers. Let's do it, Kalani. Let's do it. Just spammers. If you're going to be spamming, stay subscribed afterwards. Wonder how long it would take to drop another 0. Raphael. Wrestler's getting deleted too. Let's see. How long is it going to take to drop another 0? I don't know, man. It's got to triple from here to drop another 0. It could drop another 0 based on an actual Robinhood listing, based on FOMO buying once more, based on the game being released. But I don't think that we are going to see it happen overnight. Like, if you go to bed every night hoping to wake up in the morning and see Shiba Inu coin drop a 0, I'm going to say the probability of that happening is extremely low. This is dumb. Why? Just why? I have no idea, Rocket. I have no idea. Like, they're subscribers too, which is the weird part. Let's see. Darn the spam. It's crazy, man. I've been hearing a lot about AMC brackets recently, and they're all over the place. Have you talked about yours, Matt? No. So, brackets are what, man? Brackets are like your price points for AMC. Something that Lou started talking about. No, I haven't talked about brackets because I have no idea how high it can go. I have no idea how low it can go. Good. You have a gift I sent you on Twitter from Freddie. Go check it out right meow. I have to do it on here because my tablet's downstairs and I'm not going all the way downstairs. Oh, crap. Hopefully I'm still logged in. I don't want to go through that again. I am logged in. Cool. Dude, that is sick, man. That is, you guys got to see this. I don't know what Freddie did. I don't know how Freddie did this or what this is. What? Where's that at? Where'd my page go? Nice, man. Freddie, I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is some sort of an NFT or anything like that, but that is pretty sweet. I like it, Freddie. I like it. That's very cool, man. Number 00. Shib Moonshot. Let's make it. Let's get started. Sounds like something you're interested in? Let's get started. I don't even know how he makes this caricature, but it's sweet, dude. It's sweet. He's got the AMC shirt on. He's got the Shiba rocket there. Oh, man. That's pretty sweet. What did Freddie say? You will get commission or the first mint. I don't even know what that means either. But it is sweet, dude. It is sweet. Isn't that cool? And I don't know how you get that caricature either, but honestly, that dude looks like me. So, that's sweet, man. If I hear last night's video, it's one take. Divvy Dog. Last night's video, so yeah, it was definitely a one. Both of them were one takers. But last night's video, at the end of the AMC video, I don't know if you can tell, but if you go back and rewatch the very end, like I would say probably the last 30 seconds, I don't know if you can tell me, like you can see that I'm thinking it, but I really wanted to end that video by telling you that, by saying, and Diffie Dog, this was definitely a one taker. So I don't know if you can tell that I'm thinking that at the end of that video or that something was slightly different, but that was going through my mind at the end of that one, and I did not say it. So, yeah, both those were one takers last night. Freddie, thank you very much for the super chat. I am creating NFT card deck. They will be ready in a bit. Freddie, I have no idea how you're creating that. I have no idea what you're doing or how you're getting that going there. But that is awesome, man. That is awesome. Is this one mine? Like, do I get this one here? What's the... I don't know how that works. I think that's sweet, though. I gotta take it off. You guys probably like, this idiot's got a picture of himself and a picture of himself. Like, what's he doing? Freddie, that is pretty sweet, though. Man, that is cool. You rock, man. Thanks for sharing your skills. Heck yeah. Wayne, you rock, dude. When is Web3 Inu? Someone sent me... what is Web3? Oh, someone sent me 640 plus overs. So, Raj Rai, Web3 Inu is actually, I believe it's a brand new cryptocurrency. Or crypto token, I should say. I've seen it before on, I believe, either the new list or the trending list. Oh man, getting hit pretty hard right now, huh? Yeah, getting hit pretty hard right at the second. But it's been out since, it's been on CoinMarketCap since the 4th. So Web3 Inu, I don't know who sent it to you, but Web3 Inu is right here. It's got a current market cap of around $5 million. Kind of volatile if these are not glitches, okay? If these are not glitches, definitely volatile here. I would assume that that's a glitch popping back down there, but I'm not sure. If it's not, I mean, you guys better be sitting there watching this because you could like 100x in a minute. But Web3 Inu, newer token. I have seen this on CoinMarketCap. I don't think it's been trending. I think I saw it on the newly listed page. Let's see. Dude, these guys that are spamming. Oh my gosh. I know we don't have any time left, but why don't you sell lottery tickets with one winner getting 10% and the rest being burnt? You could do it even through NFTs. Yeah, Nicholas. No, I think that would be great. And I think that I think you could even burn just 10% and the winner gets the 90% instead of the 90% being burnt. And that's still a way that you could have sustainable burns on Shiba Inu coin, man. That's the stuff that I'm talking about, Nick. That's the stuff that I'm talking about. That people need to think of sustainable ideas. Because, yes, it is gambling. Yes, you are likely to lose at that point because it is a lottery. But people gamble. People take chances on lotteries. Even if it's just a $1 entry and you could win the 90% of the pot and burn the other 10%, people will continue to try to win that. So it works out in that case because there will be winners. Yes, there will be losers, but at least they have that anticipation and excitement that they're getting in return for that dollar being burned. So that is a good idea, man. Sub count up higher than BBIG on the daily. Devil's advocate, it better be with all these spammers in here. It better be going up. Let's see. There's an elementary school somewhere with a crypto class teaching how to spam 101. I think there might be. It might be Cisbro's class right now, coming in here and spamming. That might be what it is because I talk crap about them sending the group messages and now they're not sending them anymore. Do you have any recommendations for other channels to watch while I wait for other videos to upload? Yeah, so Kalani, there's a lot of good guys out there, man. You know, Short the VIX. You get Short the VIX, TMI. You got a lot of people. They're more in the stock space than they are in cryptos. But there's a lot of good channels out there, man. Mad Cores isn't bad if you guys like Mad Cores and want to hang out in there. Oh, jeez. What's the... Why can I not think of that dude's name right now? Kid with 400,000. Keenan Grace, man. He's pretty fun to hang out in there. There's a lot of good guys out there if you want to hang out in their live streams. Spam babies need a swift kick in the stream. Yes, they do, Mark. Yes, they do. That's the plan. But with Clay's permission, Devil's Advocate, I don't know what the plan was. Rocket! Thank you very much for the super chat. I am now invested in this bot storyline. Who is Bree? Why is Rodney lying? So many questions, and these are the days of our lives. There is a lot of questions going on. I'm not even reading all the names, but I can see that they are throwing a storyline out there, and they might be spamming. They might be scamming us. We think we're scamming the spammers because we're getting subs as they click the spam button, but they're actually getting their storyline across because the real spam is in their names. Not even in what they're trying to say that gets deleted. It's in their names. Zach Morris has been trying to pump PIK. Check it out, Clay. PIK. He's in stocks, right? Oh, shoot, man. I mean, I don't know why he's trying to pump it, but kids close subscription box. I don't like subscription boxes, man. I don't even like clothes, but pay for clothes that I don't even get to pick out. I don't know. If you guys like Zach Morris, hey, it might be something you're interested in there. Claybro Vault, something I did not see. We Devil's Advocate, that's the plan, but with Clay's permission, something. Pretty. You should make a website and sell those. I would 100% buy one of, like, me and my girlfriend and our pets or something. That would be pretty sweet. Listen, I don't know anything about NFTs, but I think that was really cool what he did there. You ever know I saw that one? What is this huge drop right now? I don't see any huge drops right now. How would you burn the coins, Clay? Would you send it to that big wallet there to Vitaly? Yeah, Frodo. I think that's really the only acceptable way to burn coins now. You know, you could put it in your own wallet and forget the password to that. They would essentially be burnt at that point. But you run the risk in doing that somebody's going to open that wallet back up in like 2 or 3 years. You know, they could be long gone by then and be sitting on $2 or $3 million worth of Shiba, and it never really got burnt. So that's the risk you run if it's not being sent directly to that wallet. Bree is my new side piece. Bree sounds like she's a nice lady. What? Has the FUD returned? We've fallen below 3. Kalani! We're following Bitcoin. Okay, we're following Bitcoin very, very heavily right now. So if you look at Bitcoin and you look at Shiba, I mean, you're looking at like the same. You're looking at like the same price action here. Little bounce, little bounce, little bounce, little bounce. We got a little tip up right here at the end. Little tip up right here at the end. Following Bitcoin almost to a T at the moment. So it's not anything Shiba specific or FUD or anything like that. But I don't know why. I don't know what's causing Bitcoin to drop at the moment. Quit! You ain't seen nothing yet, man. Freddie got a whole collection. It's wild. Dang, dude. I need to see this whole collection, though. It does sound pretty sweet to me. Gotta say, Mr. Lava Lamp and the PS3 boxes the prison sells, they got a different vibe. Diffy dog! No, it doesn't, man. We could always return back downstairs. BBIG, YOLO's up 60% right now. Nice. Devil's Advocate. Loving that. What if Vitaly is just playing? I've thought about that, too, Frodo. I've thought about that, too. If he is, that's the ultimate win. That is the ultimate win, dude. If he's playing us on that one, that's the ultimate win. The dude's going to walk away with tens of billions of dollars. So, sweet. Sweet. He outplayed us all. Sing! Thank you very much, Mr. Amit, for the super chat. Hi, Shiba family. Shiba to the moon, always. Does anyone have Upland? Look into it. Digital Land. Yeah, I do not have Upland. I've actually never heard of Upland. Let's see what it looks like. Digital Land. Oh, you know, is this icon here? I think this is an app, right? Google Play advertises this app to me every once in a while. There's no data on CoinMarketCap about this, but I recognize this picture right here. Is this the app? I don't know. I've never downloaded it, so I don't know exactly what it is, but I do not have that. Wishing all you a good day, good health, and a good AMC squeeze. Let's get it, Danelle. It's Club up. My favorite influencer, JS Justice. How you doing? What about Doma laid back, trying to pump that? Actually has potential. Domo. I don't know about Domo either. Is this plunge due to potential war in Ukraine? I highly doubt it. I have no idea, though. I'm interested in digital real estate. Check it out then, Outdoor Smile. You got to get some work done. See ya, fam. Peace out to you, JB. Yes, sir. I have seen that then, but I have not downloaded the claim. I'm waiting for the Clay t-shirt. Cameron. I don't remember sending one to Cameron. Cameron, did you win one? All right, guys, it is 1 o'clock. We are going to be signing off. Get your names in the chat right now. Let's get the shout-outs going. We will be back in the 3 o'clock hour. Make sure to come back, have some fun with us. Watch the video this morning if you haven't watched it already. And then we are going to get the shout-outs going. And thank you very much for hanging out with us. Sign Man Scene, thank you very much for being in here. Leander, Dunna, the message retracted, it's alright. Dunna, see you later, JS. Leander is Plunge, I saw that crypto, no rocketing, yes. Leander, Outdoor Smile Scene, JB, see ya, Cameron, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond handed Abe's Devil's Advocate, see you later, Quentin, Crypto not rocketing, Moji, Isawu, Moji, Freddy, later bros to you too, Frodo, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom! Dabbing on him like always, Cassie. Until the next time. Oh, yes. SD. Later, Clay. Later, SD. Outdoor Smile. Isa Woo. That one dude, Kalani. DD214. Mark. See you later, my man. And now you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.